Keto box time. What snacks did I get? What snacks did I get? All right, let's go through this. It's like the holy grail of the... All right. I don't even know what's in here yet. Snack time. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Coupons, of course, for your snackies. Each one in here. Okay. Ooh. So the first thing is this. Crispy cuts. It's pork rinds, but it's Parmesan peppercorn. This is by Field Trip. Awesome. Flavored pork rinds. That's a fun replacement for chips. Ooh, then we got some from the House of Macadamias. This is roasted with Namibian sea salt. Probably pronounced it all wrong. Snack time. Nom nom nom. The cookie department. Ooh, this feels nice and soft too. Cookie department keto. Cakewalk, birthday cake plus sprinkles. It's literally super soft. Then we got some ice chips, candied peppermint. Yummy. Then there's called Keto Chow, and this is chocolate ultra low carb meal replacement shake. So you don't for ketosis. The next thing, ooh, I've always wanted to try this one. I've seen this at Wegmans, is the Kaale rice. And it's in the pouch where you just microwave, because they're so quick and easy. Nice. Can't wait to try that one. Really excited about that one. Ooh, a mug cake. Keto-friendly mug cake. Confetti. Nice. Just add water. I like that. Simple. Beef stick. Beef. From Country Archer. And this is just the original flavor. Organic, it's Mavuno Harvest dried organic coconut. And then the last thing is the California Ketos from Craveable Keto. And oh, I've always wanted to make like protein energy bites. So it's a mix and you make the little energy balls. How cool! As always, I am very happy. So let's see here. Keto products. Don't sleep on this box, guys. So many fun goodies. Alright guys, and this is the keto box on Instagram. It's just the keto box.